Once upon a time, a very advanced teacher of meditation, philosophy, and spiritual practices was approached by his student. He had trained up his student for many months, and his student had really done well. So his student was leaving the teacher and going off, trying to spread the message, find his own way in this world. So his student, saying his goodbyes, requested the teacher, "Can I stay in touch with you?" And the teacher said, "Yes, please." "Would email work?" He said, "Yes." "So can I write to you on email?" He said, "Yes, please write, but don't send attachments. No attachments, please." This is a play of words. A play of words. No attachments means, please, you may keep in touch with me, you may have a relationship with me. However, don't send over your attachments to me. I am not going to be attached, and nor should you be attached to me. If there is a magnet, please raise up your hands if you've done this as a child, maybe even as a young adult, maybe even as an elderly adult. But if you find a piece of magnet, and you find some of those pins that are used to hold together papers, you know that? Triangular pins. How often do you feel when you have nothing to do, like your 16 rounds are done, there's no duty worship? How often do you feel that you pick up that magnet and attach one pin to it, and then you try to attach another pin to that, like a trail of pins, and you see how long that trail can be? If you've done that, please raise up your hands. Yes, for those who have not done it, you have missed a lot in life. Anyways, all these pins are attached to each other, right? They're connected to each other. Their connection is dependent on the magnet. You remove the magnet, for some time the magnetic effect, because that's iron, right? The atoms, this is physics. Atoms are rearranged in a particular way, so there will be some effect. They may stay together for some time, but afterwards they disperse, fall off. It is only due to the magnet that those things were staying together. Those pins were staying together. Similarly, Krishna is the magnet, and everyone is connected to Krishna and is Krishna conscious. Away from Krishna, the consciousness slowly gets degraded. That we are all aware of. And it disperses. So the only way real attachment can be expressed is when there is connection to Krishna, at least in parampara. There has to be connection to Krishna. So no attachments, please. That requires a lot of introspection. It needs a lot of self-restraint. And it needs a lot of understanding and analysis. No attachments.